Welcome back to LearnOGrow. In this video, we are going to see how to remove personal information from Word document before sending it to anyone and thus protect privacy. Please do like and subscribe if it proved useful to you. Thanks for likes and subscription.